There is literally no space for me to be in the shot with these two monitors inside. Anyway, it's just for the intro. Hey guys, I hope you can still see me behind these two massive monitors. This is the Apex 24 and this is the Apex 27. Is bigger really better? Let's find out. So if you've seen my previous review video a couple weeks ago of the Apex 24, I did mention about Apex 27, and the difference is not only the screen size. There are some really cool things only available in the Apex 27, and we're gonna go through all of it today. So let's do that. This is a 27-inch WQHD IPS display. It has a maximum refresh rate of up to 165Hz, a 1 millisecond response time, and adaptive sync, which will make all your games buttery smooth. But that's not all. Consuming content on this monitor is amazing because it is HDR capable, it can produce 16.7 million colors, and has some commendable color gamut. Let me quickly talk about the stand. Unlike the Apex 24, the stand on the Apex 27 is fully adjustable. You can tilt the display, adjust the height, and even change the orientation. And I'm sure someone will ask this. Yes, it is VESA compatible. Moving on, let's have a closer look at the I/O. Starting from the right, you have a headphone output, a DisplayPort 1.2, two HDMI 2.0, another DisplayPort 1.2, and the power input. Moving to the back of the display, you'll find a Kensington lock, some flashy RGB, the speaker, and lastly the power and menu controls. It's really cool that they included speakers on the left and right side of this monitor, but how do they sound? It's not bad considering that the speakers are facing away from you. If you're watching like some YouTube videos or some light gaming, it's definitely enough, but for you audiophiles out there, you definitely want to use this with headphones. Now let's move on to the menu system, and I have to say that it's very comprehensive, so I'm just going to quickly run through it. Presets is where you quickly switch between screen settings. There is honestly a ton that you can customize here. Manual image adjust is for further customization such as the resolution and FreeSync. Color adjust, audio adjust, and input source is pretty self-explanatory. Lastly, we have the setup menu where you can configure settings such as the on-screen display size and the time it takes before the monitor goes to sleep. What's really cool is that you can control the lighting for the back LED and the bottom projected logo. It's right here. How many of you realized that from my earlier shots? The buttons at the back also provide shortcuts to the volume, brightness, input source, and a crosshair placement on screen. That's it for the buttons and menu system. So I've been testing out this monitor with the new Illegear Onyx Pro RTX 30 series, and the gaming experience has been fantastic. When I play Valorant, the high refresh rate definitely helps smooth out the movement since it's generally a fast-paced game. Still doesn't help with my aim, unfortunately. Anyway, on New World, the colors produced are so beautiful, and paired with the 27-inch display size, it's really an immersive experience. The stand for the Apex 27 is so useful. Being able to easily adjust all aspects of it is a real lifesaver. I have it on the maximum height setting because that's about eye level for me. This monitor vertically barely fits my lens. Anyway, you can definitely use this monitor in this orientation, but you would have to be a crazy bangsawan to use a 27-inch 1440p HDR 165Hz display as your second monitor. You're crazy. Both these monitors are great in terms of gaming thanks to its high refresh rate and low response time. Where it differentiates is in terms of the picture quality produced. Without a doubt, the Apex 27 produces crispier, richer, and more accurate colors because of its IPS panel, better color gamut, and the 1440p resolution. Of course, we can't ignore the massive 27-inch size, and there's also a ton of other cool features such as the stand and also built-in speakers. So if you have the extra budget, I would definitely recommend for you to get the Apex 27. Paired with a laptop, it's a perfect 2-monitor setup for productivity or even streaming. By the way, I stream twice a week on YouTube, more details below. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys found it useful. More details about the monitors and also all the purchase links will be included in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Bye!